Hello guys, we are Team Wiston. The problem statement number is 1284. The problem statement of a Team Wiston is that we are developing a blockchain based e-wallet system for saving the legal records. At this time, legal documents are stored in a centralized way, so there is a lack of security, trustability and transparency. So we are developing a solution. We are providing a blockchain based e-wallet system for legal records that is decentralized and provides security, trustability and transparency. Here it is a DApp in which stakeholders store their documents and files, and all the files are connected with IPFS through Pinata, and the blockchain systems are connected with files that issue a reports and then verify the documents on the blockchain and produce output in the form of true or false, and all the existing database are connected with the DApp, and now the blockchain are connected with the smart contract. In our UI, register and login page are visible to us. In which register and login, all the informations are filled. Now we are here recording a document. Here documents are verified with the help of blockchain and issue a report. Then the documents are verified through it. It produces a document, then documents are provided, and also the output is produced in the form of true or false. The technical stack that we are using in our system is React, White, Node.js, Hardhat, Figma, Solidity, Ethereum, Web3, Flutter, Pinata, IPFS, Postgres, SQL, cybersecurity. The use case diagram, there are 4 characters: lawyers, client, judge and other stakeholders, and the e-wallet systems are connected with all 4, integrated with legal database, track changes, upload documents, share information easily, and the lawyer can easily track the information, upload documents, share their information, and also client easily share their information. Through the use case diagram, we are also described that judge and stakeholders also retrieve their documents very easily. So the impact of our application is that it improves access to justice, cost efficiency, data integrity and trustability, and also provide transparency and ensures accessibility. We protect application is able to store, manage and share legal records securely and efficiently. And the easy to use application interface with the potential to integrate with existing legal database and case management system. Thank you. We protect the initiative by Team Wiston. Thank you, and the team leader of our team is that Rajiv Kumar. Thank you.